Good afternoon, everybody. This is Schlesinger with Cruisers Yachts, and today I'm very proud to present to you this 2020 Cruisers Yachts 42 Cantius that is just being listed on brokerage. This boat was delivered 1 year ago in March of 21, so it still has a full year of remaining warranties from the factory on it. This has a slate gray hull, and this boat is a little bit of a special one. It has the IPS 600 engines in it, whereas most of these have the IPS 500s. It does have the sunshade that you can set up on the bow as well. We've got a hydraulic swim platform. You press a button and the stairs pop out as the swim platform goes into the water. You've got some nice storage lockers back here, barbecue, drawer fridge, Glendinning cable master, hot cold shower, beautifully finished tables in the cockpit, seagrass carpeting, and we've got our triple sliding doors. A hot day like today, keep it all nice and cool inside and just keep the middle door for going in and out, or you can slide this whole system over to the port side. Around here, nice AC blowing. Got our galley to port, TV, 2-burner, fridge in here, microwave convection oven. This is a charcoal oak interior, very sharp looking boat. Opening windows on both sides. It's about 130 hours on this boat, 135 hours on this boat. It is fully equipped with DPS, joystick driving, high and low speed docking, Garmin remote control, Garmin glass cockpit. Love the full piece windshield on here. Down 3 steps on our starboard side is our guest stateroom. We've got a nice bench seating here. There's a TV. You've got opening windows here for fresh breeze and a very large bed. I'm 6'3". I'm sitting here very comfortably. Quite nice. So you do have Jack and Jill doors into your guest head. Large stall shower. You don't see too many boats in this size range with 2 full-on heads. Forward we have our forward master. And this has its own ensuite with a separate shower. You got the hatch up there, another TV, its own heat and AC unit in here. Very, very comfortable. As you can see, this boat is in very, very nice shape. Open up this sunroof, set up your little sunshade up front, and have a great time on board. So I'm standing here in the engine room. It is huge. As you can see, you've got the IPS 600s here, batteries, Perco switches, some breakers, battery charger, Cummins Onan generator, got some spare fluids. The boat was just done with its annual service at the very end of March, beginning of April of this year. Please like and subscribe, and I'll keep you up to date with everything I've got coming to market.